All right, we got a nice big Las Trancas. Let's get cracking. Oh, whoa, 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 hello. Nice, easy pop. Oh boy, here we go. Come on, something good. Oh, that's an interesting one. Okay, so let's look at this top half real quick. Ooh, hey now. Lots of swirling chalcedony, some really pretty crystal. The bottom half is a little bit thicker down here, probably solid down there, but that's okay. But look at that. Alright, one more test. Alright, got some fluorescence there, some good color. Yeah! Alright.